Hello and namaste. This is me Dinesh Bishwakarma, and in this training session, this is our last video. This is gonna be a big one because in this video we are going to do a project kind of task on it. So let me first show you the project. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, okay. In it, let's ignore the code and let's see the uh, app that I've created or that we are going to create. Let's you are given to choose a Nagarpalika or Gaonpalika, that is a Dang district. Okay, let's select one of them. Okay, this will pan and zoom to that place, and you have given here to select the index. You can choose a true color NDVI. Okay, let me choose NDVI, and you can choose a time range, and then it will make a NDVI map. Okay, this is the Gorai municipality. Okay, you can also change the time range. Okay, in different time range it will be the different. Okay, however there might be the cloud cover will may take the important role for changing the NDY map or different in map. Okay, let us choose true color and let's select the date. Okay, you can also see the true color image. Yeah, like this way. Okay, you can also change the Nagarpalika or Gaon Palika and make the different kind of indices map. Yeah, okay. Now we are going to make this. Now let's code. Okay, now let's, with the help of knowledge that we gained on the previous video, now let's make a project. Looks like a real project. For this we're gonna use the Sentinel imageries at first. So let's import the Sentinel imageries. Okay, Sentinel 2. Um, bit fast. Okay, now let's import it. Yeah, now perfect. Okay, rename it as a Sentinel. Okay, then after okay, as I've shown, we're gonna make the uh, selection of the Nagarpalika or Gaonpalika, that is municipality or rural municipality. For me, let me select the, yeah, Dang, with given the municipality. Okay, let me rename it as Dang. We're gonna create a select button uh, that will uh, help us to choose the municipality. Okay, so if you click it, we can see the different elements. Okay, yeah, here are different GAPA or NAPA. That means Gaonpalika or Nagarpalika. This is Rapti. We are going to make select button by using these values. Now let's choose this. For this, we have to create a variable locations. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to make dictionary. So at first, okay, let's list all the GAPA or NAPA. That is Gaonpalika and Nagarpalika. Okay, we're gonna filter the uh, the municipalities inside this shape file. Okay, you can see here there are different shape files. Yeah, so we're gonna filter them or filter the feature collection individually. Okay, for this we're gonna use this filter lesson. Okay, you can see more about it on the um, web also or in the documentation. So we're gonna filter. Okay, filter, and we're gonna use this in list one. Then after we're gonna filter on the basis of GAPA NAPA column, because the name of the municipalities are here, okay, in this column. So that is in list, that is equal to the uh, this one, that is equal to go right. Yeah, we're gonna filter it like this. Okay, what does it did is that from the whole shape file bank, it gonna show the only the Gorai. Okay, uh, let me do, we're gonna see it later. Okay, then after Lamai, and I'm gonna copy it for my easierness. Okay, now let me paste. Okay, this will be Lamai. Okay, this will be Lamai, and the next one will be the Tulsipur. That is another sub metropolitan city, and this one will be Tulsipur. Okay, and again this one will be Rapti Gaonpalika. Okay, Rapti, and the next one is Santi Nagar. Okay, yeah, this gonna be Santi Nagar. Okay, then after then it's gonna be the Babai. Okay, this gonna be Babai. Okay, then after this gonna be the Babai. This gonna be Bangla Chuli. Bangla Chuli. Bangla Chuli. And the next one is Dangi Saran. Yeah, and Dangi Saran. Yeah, and the next one is Gadawa. Gadawa. And this is Gadawa. And this one, the final one is the Raspur. And okay, this one is the final one. Okay, okay. So we have created the list of the different locations that we're gonna use. Then let's create a select button for it. Okay, for it, let's create a variable select location. Okay, we have already learned for creating the select. Okay, let's create a placeholder of select or Nagarpalika or Gaonpalika. Okay, then after the items are the keys, the location. Okay, locations. Yeah. Then after we'll get the select button. And then after we have to create a event handler on change. When it is changed, we're gonna create a function that takes argument key and this. Okay, we're gonna show the shape file of this municipality when it is selected. Okay, I'm gonna first clear the map, then center the object. Okay, and center the object on the basis of the selected location. Okay, and I'm gonna add the layer. Okay, this will help us to create a button. Okay, let me print the button also, so that it will give the clear idea. Okay, this one. Yeah, now I think we'll see here. Okay, whenever we select the Santinagar, location is not defined. Okay, sorry, it is locations. Okay, yeah, let me run again. Okay, whenever choose anyone, it will zoom and pan to that place. Okay, Tulsipur is selected. Okay, if I select Dangisaran, it will Dangisaran municipality will be shown. Okay, by this way we can do many work. And then after we have to make what type of imageries or map we are going to show. For example, uh, let's create the indices. So this can show that what we are going to select. First one will be true color. Okay, we're gonna give the true color. Okay, next one is NDBI. I'm gonna create it NDBI. Okay, next one is NDBI. Okay, we're gonna create it NDBI. Okay. Okay, next one is water index. We'll be showing these indexes as well as true color NDWI. Okay, this is the indices. Similarly, as a select location, we are also going to create the select location button. For this, let me create a select indices equal to UI dot select. Now placeholder will be choose the indices. Okay, for true color. Okay, and then the items will be objects dot key and the indices and on change. Okay, we don't need on change here. Okay, mm, let's print the button. Okay, sorry. Yeah, okay, this will be below it. Okay, objects dot keys might be somewhere here. It is mistake. Yeah, it is singular, not yes. It's only object. Yeah, we can see the here this means. Okay, we haven't set any event handler here. Okay, and then after our next task is the date slider. For date slider we're gonna select the automatic one so that we don't have to change it timely. For this we're gonna take the start range and end range from the collection of imageries. So let's do okay for it. Let's do the tasks. Okay, for finding the start date. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna place it on here. Okay, define it for the start range. I'm gonna select e dot image dot sentinel dot fast. Okay, it's gonna select the fast collection uh, in by sorting on by date wise, and we're gonna get the date dot date. It will get the date, and we're gonna get the year. Get year. It will get the year. Okay, then we're gonna format it. Okay, then we're gonna have the end date. Okay, for this we're gonna use date dot now. Okay, and the end date will be we have used the e date for formatting. Okay, now let me show you. Let me print the start and end so you will get a clear idea. Start and end. uh, okay, sentinel, it is L is missed here. Okay, so we have got the date range, nothing new, but only the we have get a date range. We have not provided by ourselves, but we have uh, got it from the imagery collection and today's date. Okay, this is for the date. Okay, now let me select. Yeah, now let me create the slider for the date. Okay, for this, let me uh, create a date slider. Before that, for asynchronous calling, I'm gonna use the date range. Okay, this one. We need the start time and in time. Time zone is optional. Okay, mm, okay. So date range equal to e dot date range start and. Okay, then we're gonna evaluate, and the function we are going to call that is range. Okay, this is a bit hard to understand. uh, okay, I'm gonna create a date slider. UI dot date slider. Okay, the start date will be the range. Okay, dates. Okay, 0, it is a starting date, and the next one is the end. It's gonna be range. Okay, dates comma 1, and the next one is value. I'm gonna give the null value, or I'm gonna give the end date so that it will handle this some kinds of error. Okay, okay, I've given the end date, and the period will be 15 days, because for the sentinel it is about 15 days, but we can give also 30 days also, it will be no matter for us. So I'm gonna give the 30 days. And on change, I'm gonna call a function. Okay, uh, let me create a function named okay, do the tasks. Okay, I've already said that I'm very poor on selecting the name. Okay, now let's display the date slider. Okay, so in date slider, let's set the value to now. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see if there might be some changes. Yeah, here is comma is forgotten. Yeah, as we haven't given any tags now here, so it haven't shown the function or get slider. So we do the tags is equal to function, and we're gonna pass the range. Okay, at first let me leave it empty. Yeah, we have got the slider also. Okay, here we can slide and change the date, or we can choose this wise. I hope you have understood it. Now let's go to the main part. Okay, whenever we select this, it will show the the municipality is a file, then it will choose what kind of map we want, and it will select the date. Then okay, let's do some work in backend, or the task we are going to show map. Okay, let me select region of interest is equal to locations. Yeah, select location dot get values. Okay, this will help us to find the region of interest that is selected from here. Okay, whenever we select the Tulsipur, the ROI will be Tulsipur, Banglachali, ROI will be Banglachali, like this way. Okay, and then after, so let's filter the data for the sentinel dot filter date. Okay, as you know, the date is fast from here. We're gonna use range dot start. Okay, then range dot end. Yeah, dot filter bounds. It's gonna filter by the bounds ROI. Okay, so it is here, and let me select the okay. Let me filter by the cloud cover also, because I have seen the cloud. Yes, then okay. Uh, so cloud cover will be less than 7. Okay, and let's select the mean. Yeah, I think it will be better, and let's click it. So data C will be for the clipping data dot clip. Okay, ROI vision of interest. Yeah, it will help to clip. So the our data is prepared. Now we have to calculate. We have to prepare map on the basis of this. So we need to make a switch case here. Let switch, and on the basis of this select indices. Okay, that get value. Okay, whatever we choose here, it will take here. So it will help us to choose. Okay, now case. First case will be true color. Okay, true color. Yeah, for it, let us clear the map first, and let's add the map, and we have no visualization parameter right now, so let it be empty. Now we'll add later, and the name be true colors. Okay, let also add the name of the uh, place or the municipality. Select location dot get value. Okay, I think here it is mistake. Yeah. Okay. After that, we don't need any more. I think. Yeah, and we need to break. Okay, this is for the true color imageries. Yeah, let's edit true color imageries data here, visualization parameter here. Let's run it whether it is working or not. Okay, let's select municipality. Okay, it's Gorai. Yeah, and let's select true color. Okay, let's select the date range. Okay, it's gonna create a layer true color Gorai. Okay, now for the true color imagery, we need band 4, band 3, and band 2, and the stress level will be about 98. Let's apply. It is like this. Maybe some cloud is there. Okay, let's change the time because that's the rainy time. Okay, visualization parameter 4, 3 and 2, stress 98. Apply, let's see. Yeah, this is more clear. Okay, let's import. Yeah, okay, it is imported now. Here let's rename it as a true color and let's add it on here. Where is it? Yeah, in this visual base parameter. Okay, true color. Yeah, now it is done. Now let's do another, that is ndbi. Okay, for it, let's, okay, another case. Okay, ndbi. Okay, now let's call another function for it. Okay, first of all let's clear the map for it, and for this we're gonna add the map dot add layer. Okay, okay, we're gonna pass the band 8 and 4 for the ndbi. Okay, 8 uh, as well as data. Let's see, select for the band 4. Okay, then after, um, okay, I think I need to give a parenthesis here. Okay, let me add another parenthesis here and it will be better. uh, okay, then after the visualization parameter, recently we don't have visualization parameter right now, and let's give the name. Okay, ndbi plus select location dot get value. Okay, yeah, this much. Okay, before that, let's create a function to calculate the indices. For it, inside here, okay, we're gonna call a function calculate index, it will be, and let's define the function body. For it, it will be, yeah, okay. uh, we need to pass receive the two band as argument and return the differences of it, that. So that for we did, we do submit dot bid a dot add b. So it's simply uh, gonna calculate the difference indices and return it here. So there's some mistake, I think. Yeah, here we need to call the function. Okay, so let's call the function. Here there's some mistake, minor mistake, I think. There's a minor mistake for this calculate index function. Let's call it and end it. Okay, let's run. I think it should work. Yeah, one mistake. Let's break it also. Yeah, okay, run. So let's say select Gabalika and select index and index. Let's select NDB and select the date range. Okay, yeah, NDB is being calculated here. Okay, this is so let's set a visualization parameter here, and this will be stress. Okay, and let's for the NDBI, let's for zero value let's choose red. Then after for the zero, Okay, this one, and this will be for greenery. Okay, let's apply and it will be imported. Okay, this will be better. NDBI. Okay, in other also we'll do the same. Okay, where it is, we're gonna add the visualization parameter here. Yeah, NDBI. Okay, now let's copy, and for the next one, NDBI, let's do the same and just replace the it with band 11. So we need SWR band and the NR band. So let's do it. Here is band 8 and rename the, okay, the parameter will be the changed. Next one, okay, NAB BI, okay, ND BI, okay, and let's run for defining the visual parameter. Okay, I'm gonna select the one. Okay, build up index and select the date. Okay, imagery will be available here and it's black right now. Let's change. There's a platelet. It is build up index. So let's represent the lower value by blue, then the middle value by the yellow, and for the more build up index, build up area, let's it represent by the red, and let's apply. Okay, you can choose the better one by yourself. Okay, okay, let's select the here it is NDBI. Okay, I think you can do another also. I'm not gonna speak on it, just see on the it, or you can do by yourself. Okay, okay, in NDWI we need band 8 NR minus SWR, so we're gonna use band 11. Okay, and we're gonna rename the name here as NDWI. Okay, right now it also doesn't have any visualization parameter. Let's run and do it by that way. Okay, select one go right. Okay, select the index NDWI and select the date. It will show imagery and yeah. Okay, stress value this one, and for no, okay, this will be for the, okay, apply and import. Yeah, visual parameter is imported here. It is NDWI, and let's select here visualization parameter NDWI. So yeah, finally our work is completed. Right now this is our final code. Yeah, it nearly took 94 lines. There are some spacing, and this complete work this made had taken about more than 30 minutes. So let's check out it. Okay, let's select municipality. This is Godawa, and what we are going to calculate or find is, let's true color. Okay, and let's select the date. True color. Uh, looks like so many clouds are here, and this is greenery. This is the river bank, and this is also so yeah. I think we need to change the visualization parameter a bit more realistic, so you can do it by yourself. And similarly here we can also calculate the NDVA and select the date. Okay, and it will show, or you can change the municipality also. Okay, this is NDBI. Maybe something gonna mistake here or the visualization parameter. Okay, let's check it on whether it is like that or not. Okay, it may be also due to the cloud formation that may also happen. So we should not worry about it. Okay, the September is the a bit cloudy, no doubt. Okay, this is, I think the cloud has disturbed there. Okay, you can see here NDB WI water index. Okay, select the date range. Okay, you can see the water bodies here, but we should know it is true or not because the cloud may also affect it, and it is May is also summer season here, so there might be something that bothering us. Okay, this is our final product, and this is also the end of our video. So I wanna say you thanks for watching this video till the last, and I wish for the your successful uh, journey on the Google Earth Engine. If you have any sorts of problem, you may contact me through the details given under description below. You can also browse my website www.dineshbishwakarma.com.np. You can see the many things on there. I'll update them regularly on the site also. Also, you can subscribe my channel for the further uses. I will also try to upload the many more videos later on. So finally, I want to say you good learning on Google Earth Engine and say bye.